This is our 2018 McLaren 570S Spider. The car is finished in MSO Defined Mawari White and is wearing the stealth finished 10-spoke lightweight wheels with carbon ceramic brakes and McLaren orange calipers. This car has been optioned with the MSO Defined exterior carbon fiber pack. This gives you a carbon fiber front splitter, a carbon fiber rear spoiler, and a carbon fiber rear bumper. The car has also been fitted with the stealth finished sports exhaust system. Carbon fiber can also be found on the tonneau and plenum. The roof is finished in dark palladium. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a black leather and Alcantara interior with a McLaren orange lower dashboard. The seats are the manually adjusted sports seats, and they have the MSO Defined McLaren orange seatbelt. This car has been fitted with the carbon fiber tunnel, the carbon fiber switch pack, and the carbon fiber interior door inserts. This car also has the upgraded Bowers & Wilkins audio system, a front axle lift, a rear view camera, and front and rear parking sensors.